4 years after that, and Apollo, Mom, Dad, son, and daughter, all live reform.
I've always liked the idea of being a young father.
Noah, where are you going? Where are you going?
Textbook Hollywood romance.
Where's my baby going, Noah?
The bride wasn't divorced from her first husband yet.
Where are you going, baby? Huh?
Published their stolen love letters.
Why are you climbing all the way up the stairs, Noah? Noah. Hey! What do you hear? Do you hear something? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, baby? Hmm? Hurrah! Hmm. Hi. Trying to close the door. No, you can't close the door if you're sitting there. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Oh, never mind. This is how he walks. Noah? 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 What are you doing? Noah? Noah? Hey, baby. What are you doing? Huh? What is the baby doing, Noah? What does that mean? What are you trying to say? Hmm? Hi! Hey, hey! Noah. Hey! Someone's trying to close the door on me. Someone's trying to close the door on me, huh? Noah! Noah! Where did the baby go? Where did the baby go? Noah! Noah! What are you doing? Why are you so excited? Why are you so excited? Oh. Very excited. Oh, watch out. Bye-bye. Noah, bye-bye. Noah, bye-bye. 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 Noah, bye-bye. That's not bye-bye. Noah. What are you doing? What? Noah.